Last Saturday on the 12th of August, two of our students took part in the chef competition. Altogether 16 participants took part in this competition from various hotel management institutes in Goa. There were two types of menus the students were asked to prepare. One was Saraswat, the other one was Catholic, and with a 3-course menu. And I'm happy to inform you, both our students won the prizes, the first prize and the second prize. It's a proud moment for us. And thanks to my colleagues, they trained them well. They are not only trained for taking part in the competition, also to become a great chef in the future.
Our students from Vmsiihe Institute of International Hospital Education participated in one of the most prestigious chef competition. It was a challenge to create a nice 3-course menu in a span of 2.5 hours. So our students, Mr. Flenio and Mr. Atharv, they were the two participants in this event. So this competition is organized to find out the best Goan chef, right? And the subtopics which are given for this competition is the Goan Saraswat cuisine and the Goan Christian cuisine. So there were a total of 16 participants from various colleges across Goa, and it gives us a lot of pride to say that our students participated and they won the first and the second place in this competition.
My name is Flenio Rodriguez. I'm from the second year of Culinary Arts, Vmsiihe Institute of Hospitality Management, and I won the first place at the prestigious competition held by Father Arnels. And I prepared a menu of Christian Catholic Goan cuisine, that is sopa de peixe, that is a Portuguese-influenced traditional seafood soup. And my second dish was galna de cafial, which is a Portuguese dish again influenced by Goans. And my third dessert was a bath.
At the time of you participated in that event?
Right from the planning part to the stress part to the execution. Like that.
Special
So for my starters, it was a seafood broth which I had made, which was very flavorful, not compared to anything that we usually do. And for my starters, that is my main course, sorry, that is galna. I'm getting a bit nervous.
they're all going to buy your dish.
Yeah. So for my soup, it was sopa de peixe, which I had served in a soup plate along with a teapot, which was very hot while serving. And for my main course, it was galna de cafial, which I had deconstructed into a roulade, which I had served with mesidua of capsicum and potatoes, which I usually serve with cafial. And for my dessert, I had served bath, which was again deconstructed, and along with that, I had served with some coconut mousse.
How was the experience?
It was a lovely experience. First of all, it was an honor to take part in such a prestigious competition. and the experience was time management is very efficient.
Sure. Hi, my name is Vmsiihe. I prepared the Goan Saraswat cuisine for the competition. For my first course, I had Barilio Mankyo, which is squid stuffed with prawns. Along with that, I served a coral tuile and a kokum mayo. For the second course, I had my take on a shakuti. So I roasted a chicken breast and served it alongside some shakuti sauce. And for my dessert, I deconstructed a classic homely Goan dessert, mangane. I prepared a coconut and jaggery jelly along with a sabudana crisp and a chana dal preli. And along with that, I served the mangane hot.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.